Some enchiladas today. Starting out with a pound of hamburger. We got homemade enchilada sauce I can myself. You can use store-bought. Here's the store brand. You'll need at least 8 ounces of cheese. This is pepper jack. You can use what kind of cheese you want. We got our hamburger frying. We're going to use burrito style tortilla shells. We're going to use homemade enchilada sauce. And we have store-bought. Either one you want to use, you can use. Need some onions. Some green peppers. The hamburger's been fried and drained. Okay, we're going to start putting everything together. We got our cheese, we got our onions, we got our green peppers all chopped up, thanks to my husband. And we got the hamburger fried, so we're ready to put it together. Okay, let's put a little bit of cheese in each one. A little bit of onions. A little bit of green peppers. Okay, now we're going to get a little bit of beef. Make sure you drain all the grease out of your beef. Or at least most of it you can. Okay, we need some of our enchilada sauce. I hope I can get this opened. There we go, I got it. Okay. Let's roll this up. Make sure it stays downwards. Let's see if I can do it better than that. Okay. Now, there we go. Okay, make sure you got the same side down. Okay, let's get another one. Now, when you get these out on your plate, you can put lettuce, cheese, and all on top of it and eat it that way too. Ain't no special way of doing it. I've made them all kinds of ways. And if you got more ground beef or sausage or whatever you will put in it, go ahead. Go ahead. Your recipe, you do as you please. You want to add more beef, you go right ahead. More cheese, you go right ahead. Your recipe, so go right ahead. But we're using the burrito style today. Y'all can use smaller if you want to. Now we're using pepper jack cheese, but y'all can use cheddar or any kind of cheese you want. Okay, we got one pan full. Now, we're going to use some on top. We're going to try to bake these at least 30 to 45 minutes. We want them crunchy. And you can use up to 2 jars if that's what you got. Like I said, it's your recipe. You do what you want. Not hard to get along with. Okay, let me get another pan. And we're going to start putting these in the oven at 375 for 45 minutes. 30 to 45 minutes. Depends on how crunchy you want them. Okay, we've got another batch ready. Now we're going to use cheddar on these. We're going to stick them in the oven at 30, 35 minutes, maybe 40. Now you can put enchilada sauce on the bottom of your pan and inside your pan and all. But I just tried to do it the fastest way I could. Now we'll be back with you when it all gets done and show you what it looks like. Okay, we're going to get one out. My son wants one. He just come in from school, so he's hungry. Here's what they look like. Now we're going to add Taco Bell salsa on top. Okay. Let me get him one out. These are some big ones now. One should do you for at least 30 to 40 minutes, maybe an hour. One of them should. Okay, now we're going to put the topping on it. This is mild Taco Bell sauce. Chunky salsa. S-A-L-S-A. Okay, now we're going to put a little bit of hamburger. And that's how he's going to eat it. Here you go. Here's what my husband's looks like. Okay, here's the other one. They're both done. Thanks for watching. This is Tanya's Home Cooking on YouTube. Try this recipe. Thanks for watching. Bye.